Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 12th mathematics, chapter number 4, determinants, we will include the topic of introduction and solution of exercise 4.1. Students, before starting today video lesson, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So first of all, what is determinant? A determinant is a number that can be calculated from only square matrices. What is a determinant? Is a number that can be calculated for only square matrices. In solving the system of linear equations, determinant plays an important role to check whether the systems of equation has a unique solution or not. It has many applications in the science, engineering, social science and economics. So in this chapter of class 12, we will cover the problems such as finding the determinants of 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, evaluate the areas of triangle, finding the equation of line using determinant, minors, cofactors. Also calculate the determinant using the minors and cofactor. We have already studied how to find out adjoint of inverse of matrix. Besides, we can find out the solution of equation and determinant as sum of two or more determinant. Okay students, here is been uses of determinant. Where we can use the determinant can be used analyzing system of linear equations, solving the system of linear equation, method of least squares, finding the inverse of matrix, determining if a matrix has inverse, finding the characteristic equation of a matrix, find eigenvalues, to find eigenvectors, solving differential equations, and finding the areas and volume of geometric shape. Okay students, these are the uses of determinant where we can apply the method of determinant. So here is been the order of matrix and on the basis of determinant. A having matrix 1 by 1, so its determinant is magnitude of matrix. Similarly, second order matrix having element a11, a12, a21 and a22, so its value gives the value of determinant. So the determinant, two vertical numbers enclosed by two vertical lines, and we can expand by doing the cross multiplication. Cramer's rule means a11 is to be multiplied by a22 minus a12 is multiplied by a21. Third order, the matrix having elements a11, a21 and like that way, so we can determine, right, and we can expand these things by using a11, a12 and a13. So let us see the applications, how we can find the value of determinants. So let us see. Evaluate 2, determinant having element 2, minus 5, 4, 1. So D is equal to, by doing the cross multiplications, so 2 is to be multiplied by minus 1. 2 is to be multiplied by students minus 1. This is a minus of formula. 4 is multiplied by minus 5. Okay. So 2 into minus 1 will be what, students? So determinant can be written as, suppose this is matrix A, so determinant value will be D. So minus 2 and minus 4 into minus 5 plus 20. So we are getting minus 18. Sorry, plus 18. Because minus 2 plus 20, 18. Let us see the similar question. Evaluate matrix determinant having element cos theta sin theta and minus sin theta cos theta. You know that how to expand 2 by 2 determinant by doing the cross multiplication, Cramer's rules. So determinant A, cos into cos theta minus sine theta into minus sine theta. Now multiplying cos into cos, cos square theta, minus minus plus, there will be sine square theta. So we know that the value of this identity is always 1, because cos square theta plus sine square theta is what? 1. Let us see the next question. If A, this is what? Matrix having element 1 4 2 2. So we have to show that 2A, modulus of 2A is equal to 4 times modulus of A, means determinant A. So first of all, here it is been given that a matrix A having element 1 4 2 and 2, right? So for 2A, right, 2A, 2 is to multiply this matrix, so we are getting 2 8 4 4. So its modulus value means magnitude value means determinant. So determinant 2A is equal to what? 2 8 and 4 4, right? Now doing the cross multiplication over here, 8 minus 8 32, 4 8 is 32, so we are getting minus 24, right? Similarly we will find 4 into modulus A. So 4 into A is 1 4 2 2. So doing the cross multiplication over here, so 1 into multiplied by 2 minus 2 and 4 into 2 minus 8. So we are getting 4 into minus 6, so minus 24. Means here you can see that, students, modulus of 2A is equal to 4 times modulus A, right, students? In this way you can say that determinant value of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant value of A. Now the next question, evaluate a determinant having element 3 0 3 minus 1 0 minus 5 2 minus 1 and 0, right, students? So modulus A by considering theory, so removing all these elements in this column and rows, so we are getting 5 minus 1 and minus 1 and 0. So minus 1 to be considered, so removing the element of this row and this column, so 0 3 and minus 1 0. Considering minus 2, so removing the element of this rows and this column, so 0 3 and 0 minus 5. Now students, using the Cramer's rules, 3 into 0 into 0 0 minus, there will be minus 5. So minus minus plus, 0 into 0, and here is minus of formula, so 3 into minus 1, so plus 3, so minus 2, 0 into minus 5, and here will be 0. So we are getting 3 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 0, right? So we are getting minus 15 plus 3, so minus 15 plus 3 minus 12, right? So modulus of A is what? Minus 12. Okay, students, in this way you can expand the determinant having order 3 by 3. Let us see the question number 6. If a matrix having element 1 2 5 1 1 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 9, so we have to find out value of the matrix. Value of the matrix means determinant. So value of the matrix, the element enclosed by 2 vertical line 1 2 5 1 1 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 9. So expanding with 1, so we will write the element 1 4 minus 3 and 9, because accepting the element of that rows and column. So similarly with minus 1, so 2 5 minus 3 and 9 minus 9 and minus 3 and minus 9. So expanding with minus 2, so we will remove this element of rows and columns, so 2 5 1 and 4, right, students? So doing the cross multiplication over here, so we are getting minus 9 sine of formula so there will be plus 12, so minus 1, minus 2 into 9, minus 18, sign of formula, 2 3 is 15, minus 15, so plus 15, so expand minus 2, 2 4 is 8, and here is minus 5, so there will be minus 3 by solving these things, minus 3, and here is minus 2 into 3, so what we are getting, 3 plus 3 minus 6, right, is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay students, so the value of this matrix is what? 0, means value of this determinant is 0. Okay, now moving to the next question. The question is, find the value of x if determinant having element 2 5 4 1 is equal to 2x 6 4 and x. Now doing the cross multiplication over here, so 2 into 1 minus 2, 5 into 4, right, so 2 minus 20 is equal to 2x into x, 2x square, minus 6 into 4, 24, so minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24, right, so we can write 2x square minus 24 plus 18 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus, there will be 6 is equal to 0, 2 is common, x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write x square minus root 3 whole square. Now using the identity, one time plus, one time minus, so x plus root 3 is equal to 0 and x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So the value of x will be what? Minus root 3, and the value of x will be plus root 3. Okay students, in this way you can find the values of x over here. Moving to the next question, question number 8. If determinant having element x 18 2x 6 18 2 6, so find the value of x. Same things we have to do over here, doing the cross multiplication, x into x, x square, 18 into 2, 36. Here will be 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So we are getting x square minus 36 is equal to 0, means x square minus 6 square is equal to 0. One time plus, one time minus. So x plus 6, x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x plus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. The value of x will be what? Minus 6, and the value of x will be plus 6. So the value of x will be plus minus 6. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lesson. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much for watching this video.